प्रतिष्ठा फाउंडेशन ने अपने वार्षिक दिवस कार्यक्रम में 52 छोटे बच्चों को आमंत्रित करके शैक्षणिक और सामाजिक परिवर्तन का महत्वपूर्ण टप्पा हासिल किया। कार्यक्रम का उद्देश्य बच्चों की शैक्षणिक ज़रूरतें पूरी करना और उन्हें भावनात्मक समर्थन प्रदान करना था। प्रतिष्ठा चट्टोपाध्याय ने स्पष्ट किया कि इन बच्चों को आर्थिक मदद के साथ भावनात्मक समर्थन की भी आवश्यकता है। तो मोहर चौधरी ने संस्था की दीर्घकालीन योजनाओं के बारे में बताया कि 100 से अधिक विद्यार्थियों को शिक्षा, पोषण और कपड़ों की मदद दी जा रही है। दिलीप चक्रवर्ती ने संस्था के सामाजिक परिणामों पर प्रकाश डालते हुए कहा, हमारी 7 साल की यात्रा में कई बच्चों के जीवन में सकारात्मक बदलाव आए हैं। इस विशेष कार्यक्रम में जादू का शो और उपहार वितरण किया गया। प्रतिष्ठा फाउंडेशन के इस कार्य ने समाज में सकारात्मक बदलाव लाने के लिए नई गति दी है। संस्था ने नवी मुंबई में सामाजिक समस्याओं पर ध्यान केंद्रित करने वाले प्रोजेक्ट शुरू करने की योजना बनाई है।
उम्मीद है आपको ये कार्यक्रम अच्छा लगा होगा, पसंद आया होगा। हम जब भी इन बच्चों को सुनते हैं, लास्ट 2-2.5 साल से हम सुनते आ रहे हैं इन बच्चों को, हमें ऐसा लगता है कि भगवान ने इनको एक चीज़ नहीं दी है, लेकिन इनको इतनी ऐसी चीज़ दी है जो बहुत लोगों के अंदर नहीं है। इतने सुरीले बच्चे इतना अच्छा गाते हैं और इतनी अच्छी चीज़ें, इतने अच्छे इनका, आप अगर इनके स्कूल में जाएंगे बदलापुर में, हम कई बार जा चुके हैं, और ये स्केटिंग भी करते हैं, ये स्केटिंग करते हैं, पढ़ते हैं, गाना बजाना आपने देख ही लिया। कुछ बच्चे डांस भी करते हैं, कुछ बच्चे ड्राइंग भी करते हैं, कुछ भी कर सकते हैं ये। तो आई थिंक हमारे हिसाब से, प्रतिष्ठा के हिसाब से, हाँ, फुटबॉल भी खेलते हैं। एक लड़की है जो यहाँ से पढ़ी है, जिसने भारत को रिप्रेजेंट किया है, कोमल गायकवाड़, उनका नाम है कोमल गायकवाड़, जिसने भारत को भी रिप्रेजेंट किया है, जो प्रगति से पढ़ी हुई है। इंग्लैंड में था, और इंग्लैंड में विश्व कप में वो जा चुकी थी भारत के लिए। तो आप सोच सकते हैं। तो आशीष जी ने पहले बताया कि सपना देखना मत छोड़ो, ये उसी का उदाहरण है कि आप सपने देखेंगे तब कुछ भी कर सकते हैं। मैं 2 मिनट लूँगा प्रतिष्ठा के बारे में और हम आगे क्या करना चाहते हैं। बच्चे, इसके बाद मैजिक शो आने वाला है, जस्ट 2 मिनट रुक दो। हाँ, आपने सुन ही लिया कि हमने 7 साल पार कर लिया है। ये हमारा 7th बर्थडे है, प्रतिष्ठा का 7th बर्थडे है। और इस बर्थडे के दौरान हमने सोचा कि हम अपने काम को और आगे कैसे बढ़ाएं।
In the last week of September, we always celebrate annual day of प्रतिष्ठा. So this year, what we have done, we have decided to adopt or to ensure that 50 slum children in the age group of 4 to 6, they complete their education. Either they become economically independent or till graduation, whichever is earlier. For that purpose, we have chosen this place at Panvel for this particular function. Now, as you know that these underprivileged students, underprivileged kids have got their own challenges. Apart from the financial challenges, there are other challenges like, emotional challenges, parental problems, they need support. And these kids, for various reasons, they do not go outside this slum for various other factors. In a survey, it has been observed that there are 3 exit points from the education. First is at the entry itself. second is within the age group of 10 to 12, and third is within the age group of 14 to 16. So we are trying to ensure that this 50 kids, starting from the age group of 4 to 5, is never going outside this purview of this education, come what may. So in short, we are trying to ensure the education of these children till they become economically viable. And that is the purpose why we have chosen Panvel, this area, for this year's program.
Functioning for the last 7 years. Over the last 7 years, we have supported more than 300 children to get basic education. Currently, Prochesta is supporting 100 plus students. As you have heard today, we have adopted 50 more students from Panvel. We have decided that we want to grow and create a better societal impact. As a result, we have rebranded Prochesta. This is our new brand. You can see our vision and mission statements, which clearly state two things. One, we want to help underprivileged children, because we need to understand, because we ourselves go through our day-to-day struggle. We don't realize how privileged we are to get education, to have a stable family, roof over our head. We don't realize how privileged we are, and how there are so many people in India who don't get these basic necessities of life. So that is what we are trying to help underprivileged children get the education, because the belief is it is only through education that we can create a sustainable change within society. So what we have decided is two focus areas. One is to support individual underprivileged children through their journey till at least they complete the class 12, which is the basic level of education. Secondly, our focus area is to create the infrastructure necessary. So we have created multi-purpose halls in Badlapur. We have donated computers and laptops to students in need. We want to increase our operations. So we are earnestly looking for partners who are going to help us through their contribution, as well as through CSR funds and activities, so that we can create the necessary infrastructure which will help many students get to their what they need in life through this journey.
Societal impact is a big term, but actually we have experienced so many interesting, remarkable experience we have gained. Few I will tell about our experience. Like Pratiksha, a girl from tribal village, tribal community. Probably she is the second or third girl from their community who went to school. Now she has completed 12th standard, and then now she is pursuing vocational training, and after the vocational training she is in job in a decent salary. So as a result, what happened from their community, those who are reluctant to send their kids to school, they have started sending their kids to school now. And one more student I will tell about, a girl. Their family income was less than around 5,000. So she got 90% from 10th standard and 88% from the 12th standard. And now after 12th standard, she got a vocational training also. Now she is doing graduation in nursing. And I will tell about third student, a brilliant student from Navi Mumbai. He was not able to fill his form for the 10th standard because of low income group. So our Prochesta took the responsibility for him, and Prochesta gave all the support, financial support. Now that student is doing marine engineering. So actually real effect of this societal impact is now the people have started coming to join this project. They are helping us. They have understood that this is a real need for the society.
वीडियो जर्नलिस्ट मुशाहिद के साथ कविता राग की रिपोर्टिंग, आवाज़ टुडे नवी मुंबई।